Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Adil Shahid. I hope you all are fine and live your life happily and to be grateful for every moment of your living life. Today we are started from a little story. Once upon a time there was a woman who wanted a parrot that was talking with her, and then she lived with life with her. So when she go to a shopkeeper who are the owner of the many parrots, and the woman bought a little parrot who is talking with her, she just wanted for the sake that the parrot was talking with her. But when she bought the parrot and bring her home with his cage, so the woman noticed that the parrot does not talk with her. So on next day the woman returned again to the owner of the shopkeeper and said to her, or asked to her, that your parrot is just not talking with me. What's problem? The owner of the parrot, the last owner of the parrot, or the shopkeeper says, asked from the woman, does your parrot have stairs in their cage? Because the parrot loved the stairs. So the woman replied, no, she do not contain stairs in his cage. So the shopkeeper gave him stairs, and the woman bought from him, and on whom when he placed it into the cage of the parrot, so he just noticed that the parrot also does not talking with her. So she refused, and on next day she going towards the last owner of the parrot, and asked to him that your parrot is not talking with her again. What's problem there? The owner of the parrot, the last owner of the parrot, or the owner of the shopkeeper, he says that, does your parrot contain a mirror? Because if a parrot is seeing from mirror on a when he see the mirror, he just reflect his image on the mirror and just start talking with you and start talking with like a conversation. So the woman bought the mirror and placed again into the cage of the parrot. The same problem repeat again, and the parrot does not start conversation with her. The woman again depressed and going again to the owner of the shopkeeper. So he said to her that, why does not your parrot talk with her? The owner of the parrot asked her that, does your parrot contain something else? Contain the swing in her cage, because in his cage, because if he swing, then he must start conversation with you. So the woman again bought the swing from the shopkeeper and placed it into the cage of the parrot. So the problem again revised. The parrot does not start talking with her. Finally, the woman going again to the shopkeeper and said to him that his parrot. The shopkeeper asked from the woman that, does your parrot start conversation with you? The woman replied, yes, he start conversation with me, but just before he's dead last night. So the shopkeeper surprised and just wonderful or just frightened that what's happened with your parrot. The woman replied that the only word that he spoken from lastly before his dying, he says that, does your shopkeeper contain some food? Does your shopkeeper contain some food? Because I don't need mirrors, I don't need swings, I don't need stairs to start conversation with you, but I need some food for my talking to start conversation with you. So finally, the conclusion that I said to you, or in front of you, I am asking to you, that sometimes we are spend too much our time on the things that are not too much necessary in our life. We just spend our every moment of life. We just do not prioritize our what's important to us, what's next come with our life, that what is the most important, and we do not prioritize our work time to time, or in the condition to condition, or environmental to environmental, or place to place, that we are not follow our links that what's the most important for us, and we are just making those things, or just implementing those things in our life, or just making, or just conditioning our life to the things like that we really do not need them, and at the end they just show that results that we really do not need these results. So until we are not happy with others and the others are not happy with us, so prioritize your work, make your goals, make your objectives, make your life lessons, that what is the most important for you at this time, what's the most important for you now. So prioritize your work, make a list. It's important that you remember 6P. 6P, it's mean that proper prior planning prevent poor performance. Again I repeat that what is mean by 6P. Proper prior planning prevent poor performance. So always remember, prioritize your goal, what's important to you, write it down and just live your life happily. Stay blessed, stay inspired, and I love you all. Thank you.